ASRS stands for Automated Storage and Retrieval Systems. These advanced technologies are designed to efficiently and automatically manage the storage and retrieval of goods. ASRS have been in use since the 1960s and are now a cornerstone of modern material handling. These systems combine high-density storage structures, integrated software, and mechanical components to bring items directly to an operator or location. The high-density nature of these storage systems drastically reduces floor space needed to store inventory, leading to substantial space savings and more efficient warehouse layouts. Integrating automation within the storage and retrieval process leads to significant improvements in throughput, productivity, and accuracy. ASRS are versatile and suitable for any industry concerned with inventory management, especially those with high-volume storage needs or where precision and speed are critical. ASRS 101 is a new guide from Kardex. It covers everything you need to know about automated storage and retrieval systems. Click the link below to get your free copy today.